Lane 1, Sam DeLeese from Wilton. Lane 2, Ben Mays from Triangle area.
Madam
Lane
Referee.
3, Kevin Fanter from Boise, Idaho. Lane 4, Jacob Lamaldi from Ocean County. Lane 5, Nate Carr from Huntington, West Virginia. Lane 6, Trevor Mans from Eau Claire. I know them. I stayed at their house for a clinic. Way to go, Trevor. Lane 7, Patrick Wall from Sarasota. Lane 8, Luke Lechner from West North
Swimming
Carolina.
in lane number 1 of the B final,
Big
Sam DeLeese, Wilton.
pull down out
lane
of
2
Ben
is Ben
Mays.
Yoda. Lane 3,
Triangle
Kevin
area.
Fanter, Boise. Lane 4, Jacob Lamaldi, Ocean County. Lane 5 is Nate Carr, Huntington.
Now making a
Lane
move
6,
up in lane
Trevor
6.
Mans, Eau Claire.
That's Trevor
Lane
Mans
7, Patrick Wall,
in the yellow
Sarasota.
cap from Eau
Lane
Claire,
8,
Wisconsin.
Luke Lechner, Western North Carolina. Early leader, right in the middle.
I think this 60 degrees, beautiful, sunny weather we have is like a heat wave for those people from Wisconsin.
Perfect.
Lane 3 making a move. Kevin Fanter.
Boise, Idaho. Kevin Fanter. Desert country.
Now here comes lane 4, Jacob Lamaldi, 16 years old. Those guys are all right together. Kevin Fanter out in 58.4. Nate Carr 58.4. Jacob Lamaldi 58.6. All tight together. Slight edge goes to Kevin Fanter, lane 3 from Boise, Idaho. These guys are just going back and forth. Yep. You know, one has a good turn and other has a good lap.
50 yards to go.
Trevor Mans, Kevin Fanter right together, 129.8. Their splits were almost identical.
About a half a second faster than this morning.
Kevin Fanter, lane 3 from Boise. Nate Carr from Huntington, now moving up. Trevor Mans.
Winner of the B final looks like
Boy, who got that one on the touch? Nate Carr, 2:01.9. He had aggressive race the whole way. That paid off, but just hundredths separate him. Second place goes to Trevor Mans, just 1/10 behind. And then a few hundredths behind him, Kevin Fanter.
That was something there in the B final as they went back and forth. And there's the music, so the champion